The focus of this year's capital project is our roof replacement on the elementary and the secondary school. Most of our current roof is around 30 years old. In the Northeast, the average roof, using the technology that we had available in the mid-90s, the average roof is slated to last 15 to 20 years. So our roofs are at least 10 years beyond their usable life.
It's been repaired numerous times, but every time it fails a little bit more inside, and it can't recover. You can only just patch it. There's been plenty of instances where, we have to move some students out of the way because we have an active leak.
Sometimes it can interrupt academic blocks where we actually have to contact maintenance to come and take a look at the leaks. Sometimes it leads to moisture buildup where that can start to impact. Could be the technology within the room, some of the different furniture that's in the rooms.
We're in the library right now, and there have been times where the roof has leaked and we've had to move a whole shelf of books away from that space. There's also a spot where the roof leaks and the Promethean is just right near there.
This was shortly after our last capital project was done. Custodian and we had to remove a brand new Promethean board out of a room because it was starting to get dripped on. So we had brand new equipment but a failing roof, so it was just a recipe for disaster.
For the 82-minute block, we want kids to be able to sustain attention and be focused on their learning and not have to be interrupted based on weather conditions and what's going on with our roof.
A new roof would certainly ease the minds of all of us that are worried about something getting damaged that we can't replace.
The roof project will create a more supportive learning environment for our students by allowing us to put our resources and our manpower back into making the building comfortable for our students, which is one of our top priorities.